Gold hits an all-time high. We are currently about 15 minutes of 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast. So you guys know where the timestamp's coming from of the recording of this video. I have to run back in the shop. I got a pretty sizable order, over $6,000 order this wife and husband wants to do. They're kind of, saying the prices are up. We should have bought yesterday. Should have bought early in this week. We should have listened to you, Chris. I said this early this week, late last week, guys, on this channel, I said, I think we're going to have a wacky week. Or it's so far it's played out. We got one more day left this week. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's just get into the video right now. I'm trying to get to 5,100 subscribers. We're about 22 people short of that goal. We got today and tomorrow, so help me get that done. Thank you very much. Look, gold, as the recording of this video, gold has hit in the futures market $2,828, and that is on January 25 today at 1:32 p.m. I'm taking these numbers for you folks. We're still in day trading, so these numbers will change. Currently, gold was sitting at $2,820.80 as of 1:32 p.m. this afternoon. And silver was trading at, in the futures market, $32.45. And I did not forget about you platinum stackers. Platinum's well over $1,000 now. $1,026.30 in the futures market. Look, silver's up over 3% right now. Gold's up over 2%. Platinum was up over 5%. It's a huge, huge day. Are we going to see this continue? That's the question. Look, I don't know. What are people, what's going on? I really don't know. I think, I'm going to give you guys what I think what's going on. And I think what these traders are doing right now with the paper market, selling off their shorts and they're going long. That's what I think is happening. Look, there's been, even some of you guys said, I've not confirmed this yet, but people have said to me, through the channel or through email, LBMA, it could be out of gold. I don't know how true that is. There's a 5 to 6 week there's delivery wait. We will see if that is really true or not. If you guys have any information on that, please email me on that, because I've tried to dig that up myself last night and I couldn't find anything on that. So please, if you folks have anything out there, email me it. My email's in the description of every single video. Look, we were a little bit busy today. People are starting to be a bit more panicky. Prices have gone up. People have always done this way. Look, I've said over and over on this channel, silver and gold are going to go up. They're going to go down. We don't know if this is the start of a run here. I don't know. I cannot tell you that for sure. I don't want to cause panic. You guys know how I am. I just shoot straight shooter with you folks. And, I don't know what's really going on right now. I mean, all the metals seem to be up this right now. And I think it's great. But that causes some panic out there. Look, I've always said cost average. Buy a little today. Even if you have, we all have access to online. You're watching this video right now, so you have access to online. Even if you're going to buy in small amounts every single day, in case the price does dip back down. You don't want to be locking in at today's prices and it drops right back down tomorrow. That very well could happen. But what happens if the prices go up? That's why I say buy a little today, buy a little tomorrow. Should have bought a little more yesterday, right? That's how the cookie crumbles with silver, gold, and platinum markets. Look, I'm still looking to buy, all right? You guys know I am after, right now, 90% silver and 40% silver halves. People joke around about the 40%. Look, when silver really takes off, these 40% are you're going to wish you're going to have some. I'll just leave it as that. Do as you wish. I'm not telling you to go buy 40%ers. I love them. I love 90%. Anything silver, I like. I'm looking for the best deals possible, and I'm trying to bring you guys that as well. Look, we had a couple people come in also today, buy a couple ounces of gold each. They were kind of a little ruffled because the price is going up. I had one woman really kind of screamed at me. She said, why can't you sell it for yesterday's price? I says, what? I says, no, that's not how it works. I said, if it was down, I said, we'd be selling at a lower price. I said, yeah, when, she said, well, you're making more money off this. You had these coins yesterday. I'm like, yeah, we did. But if the market went down the opposite way, we'd be losing the $48 or $50, whatever the gold is standing at right now. People just don't seem, some people don't seem to understand how the market works. If the market goes up, yes, the coin shop's going to make a little bit more money off the back end. Your bullion dealer is going to make a little bit more money at the back end. But keep in mind, the prices go down. They buy it at one price. Now, let's just say gold is at 25 volts. Let's say $2,800. They buy from their dealers today. Gold drops $100 tomorrow. They're already taking a loss of $100 for that ounce of gold. Yes, they might hedge it or just whatever the case may be. For our shop, we really don't do that. We buy it and we trying to sell as quick as possible so we don't lose. But, there's some days we sell a lot of products and some days we don't sell a lot of product. That's why maybe some coin shops are more edgy to buy in big bulk, whatever the case may be. We're still in a buying opportunity at the shop. We're buying everything that is real coming into the door, whether we're paying behind spot or we're paying above spot. Most things right now, we are paying above spot as I speak to you right now. So with that being said, yes, it's a good day for silver, gold, and platinum. I just urge everybody to use caution. Stack as you can. Don't overdo it. You've heard me say that on this channel many, many times. Just don't overdo it. Buy what you can afford when you can afford it. Day-to-day price action is not something to look at. What happened yesterday, what happened today, and what happens tomorrow could be all 3 different days, right? So we can't go to say, well, on this day, last week it did this. On this day, it did this. No, we have to look at the long-term chart. The long-term chart is pointing upwards, not downwards, for all the precious metals right now. Look, we still don't know what the heck's going to happen with the so-called Trump's tariffs or not. Is this driving up the prices? I'm trying to do my research. We're trying to find what is going on for you folks, and I'm trying to bring you the best information as I can possibly can. Look, it was a little bit busy this morning. The shop kind of died off this afternoon, early this afternoon. I came home for lunch, and I'm looking at the prices, and I just can't believe how fast gold shot up. But I thought this was going to happen this week, as I predicted last week. But, we have to see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be another day. Monday, then it's going to die down for the weekend, of course, and we will see what happens on Monday as well. Look, again, I cannot stress this enough. Buy what you can afford, and only don't compare your stack with anybody else's as well. If you have questions about silver, gold, or platinum, my email is always in the description of every single video, folks. Please reach out. I'm happy to help you with any questions you have. And please like, share, and subscribe. We got a big announcement coming on Saturday on this channel. It's a good thing for the channel. I'm not going to announce it until Saturday, until it's official, because that'd be the official date we start this. So if you don't want to miss out, there'll be some giveaways coming too, folks. Silver giveaways. You might want to subscribe for that. And till the next video, before I go, please check out my friend Sobriety and Silver YouTube channel. Sobriety and Silver. He's a great guy. He puts tons of work in his videos as well. Let him know Coin Shop Chris sent you. And to the next video, folks, we will keep you posted. If I got to come back on later tonight, I will come back on later tonight if there's warrant information out there. But we will see about that. But if not, we will see you tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Coin Shop Chris is now out.